Video is a multi-perspective explanation of Hospitality ERP AI Engine dashboard as shown in the MP4 titled Management Graph Hospitality Dashboard from AI Engine. Hotel Hospitality ERP AI Engine dashboard. Direct hit interpreted for all levels of stakeholders. By Pradeep K. Suri, author researcher AI/ML architect. 1 Top Management/CXO View. Objective: strategic decision-making based on AI-driven operational insights. Key dashboard insights. Antenna bars forecast vs actual occupancy. Reveals over or underutilized room types, drives high-level decisions on promotions, partnerships, or inventory adjustments. Money with Wings average profit per room. Helps CXOs understand revenue contribution by room type, supports pricing strategy, refurbishment budgeting, or discontinuing underperforming categories. Bar chart recommendation accuracy. Validates the effectiveness of AI in suggesting upgrades or personalized offers used for long-term AI investment decisions. Use cases. Adjust high-margin offerings based on actual occupancy. Plan dynamic pricing algorithms based on performance trends. AI-backed monthly boardroom presentations. 2 General management/department heads. Objective: align operations with forecast and revenue targets. Key dashboard insights. See where occupancy gaps exist between forecast and reality. Evaluate if AI recommendations are translating to real booking behavior. Identify which rooms are profitable and which need cost review. Use cases. Modify housekeeping or front office scheduling. Train teams to promote high-profit room types. Coordinate with marketing based on low-performing room categories. Mechanic 3. Operational level staff, front office, housekeeping, sales. Objective: day-to-day optimization using actionable room-level data. Key dashboard insights. Room types most in demand, actual vs forecast. Focus areas for upselling, based on recommendation accuracy. Alert system to prevent overbooking or underutilization. Use cases. Prioritize fast cleaning/turnover for rooms with high demand. Sales/front desk promote executive rooms if underoccupied but profitable. Reduce manual errors by relying on AI-based guest match suggestions. Robot Face 4. AI/ML architect/data scientist. Objective: validate and enhance AI model performance, justify accuracy to stakeholders. Key dashboard insights. Real-time validation of AI model recommendations vs outcomes. Track AI precision via recommendation accuracy %. Interpret patterns where predictions failed, example forecast says high, actual low. Use cases. Fine-tune model weights using dashboard outputs as training signals. Justify model improvement cycles using fold-wise metrics. Introduce new features, example OTA channel impact, guest reviews, to improve accuracy. Clapperboard dashboard components summary. Graph stakeholder benefit. Antenna bars forecast vs actual revenue optimization, staff allocation, AI model validation. Money with Wings average profit per room, margin management, room positioning, campaign ROI. Bar chart AI recommendation %, trust in AI systems, upgrade strategy, automated personalization justification. Thank you.